Trolleys for AdBlue Supply. Autonomous AdBlue Supply with trolley for a 200-liter drum. Electric diaphragm pump assembled, available in 12, 24, or 220 volts. It can be equipped with a battery integrated in the trolley and charger, or with a cable reel. 2 fixed wheels and 1 swivel that provide great mobility and allow you to move the equipment easily and without effort. Horizontal pistol support. With a little water on the support, the nozzle sensor will be submerged, preventing the crystallization of AdBlue. This way you do not need to constantly clean or repair the supply nozzle. The support is easy to remove for quick and easy cleaning. Oval gear meter, which will provide you with maximum precision even at minimum flow. The equipment can be configured for supplies to light vehicles, or at a higher flow for trucks or heavy vehicles. Trolleys for AdBlue Supply, safe and efficient supply.
GESPASA, fluid technology.